Good evening, everybody, and very happy Vesak month. So the month is very important. I no need to explain. All of you know very well about the month. According to Buddha teaching, Buddha mentioned many times, when you do Dharma practice during the holy month and holy days, all the practices going to multiply into millions and billions. All the Buddhist people all over the world, they celebrate the Vesak month, particularly the full moon day. Traditionally, in India, in the ancient time, all the Buddhist people celebrate Vesak month for full month. Therefore, in Tibetan Buddhist Center, so we also going to celebrate or commemorate the Buddha is more important, the three occasions, like taking rebirth on the planets, becoming fully enlightened being, the last, the Parinirvana day. So we celebrate the important month for full month. So today is the first day. So we have two big oil lamps. Going to offer the oil lamp for 1 month, and every day we have a oil lamp and candlelight offerings. So this is how we usually celebrate the Vesak month or Vesak day. For us, we really need to celebrate the actual, the meaningful, the Vesak month. We can do the general offerings, light, incense, fruit, and foods. The most important, we must do the serious practice, the Dharma practice every day for 1 month. So if we seriously do Dharma practice for 1 month, within 1 month, we can be changed. Within 1 month, we can reduce our negative thoughts. Every day we practice Dharma, so we generate a great amount of positive minds. Therefore, everybody try to practice the Dharma as much as you can. Practice Dharma not only refer to recitation, chanting, prostration, mandala offering, food and flower incense offering. Not only them to practice daily day. The most importantly, we really need to cultivate for immeasurable practices. Then we need to practice bodhicitta. We must do meditation on Four Noble Truths, Dependent Origination, Twirlings, Emptiness, and you can do your daily sadhana. For the 1 month, so when you do the sadhana, you chant, you recite the sadhana. At the same time, make sure you go through the practice, not the verbal chanting, recitation. You need to go through the actual practice. Also, for the 1 month, so I will do my daily practice, particularly, practice for benefit for all sentient beings, particularly the people, the family, the person who contribute and make a contribution for light, flower, fruit, and food offerings. Also, I dedicate to benefit all of them. Also, we have a long list of the name, the person who passed away, the person who are sick, the person who, seeking, happiness for this life. Also, I dedicate to benefit all of them. So, because many people who support, who make a contribution for DBC, most of them, they don't have a free time to attend the Dharma class. They don't have time to attend the monthly puja and chanting. Even though, so we must include all of them. Also, for the 1 month, the Vesak 1 month, also we particularly, do chanting, recitation, practice, and dedicate the merit to heal all the people, who affected the COVID-19. So we really don't know what will happen in the future. So right now, the India is one of the countries who really badly affected the COVID-19 for all age. Maybe it spread slowly, like in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, then maybe, back to China, in Tibet, also Malaysia, Indonesia, Europe. We really don't know what will happen. Therefore, it is so important to dedicate the merit to, all human beings free from the virus. Therefore, at the beginning, so please everybody meditate or contemplate about the samsara, particularly the suffering and the cause of suffering, which is the truth of suffering and the origin of sufferings. Second, please visualize all sentient beings around us who don't want sufferings, always wish to be happy, but they don't want sufferings. Sufferings always with them. They don't want. They always, try to achieve happiness. but they cannot be truly happy beings. Therefore, please cultivate pure love and compassion towards all sentient beings. Within the cultivation, love and compassion, please visualize Buddha Shakyamuni and all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas in 10 directions in the space. Visualize the Dharma and Sangha into 10 directions. Within the generating love and compassion, all sentient beings, visualizing all sentient beings and all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, Dharma and Sangha. At the beginning, please do 3-time prostration, follow the textbook. Dejangale ranye lamale kande save kunle ozeso chojuro tene nuje jen labe tabaran jambaji yundegi Gurbe kya para bunson so para gyu rao kara gesen chenbu nga nyele Ladang kanya ma gesen jena Tene jise chanchu nyingbu par Lama kunjo sun la gyalzu 3-time prostration to the Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Namo Guru Mbaya, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya, Namo Guru Mbaya, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya, Namo Guru Be, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya. Prostration to the Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Next, taking refuge to the Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Guru Sharanam Gacchami, Buddha Sharanam Gacchami, Dharma Sharanam Gacchami, Sangha Sharanam Gacchami, Guru Sharanam Gacchami, Buddha Sharanam Gacchami, Dharma Sharanam Gacchami, Sangha Sharanam Gacchami, Guru Sharanam Gacchami, Buddha Sharanam Gacchami, Dharma Sharanam Gacchami, Sangha Sharanam Gacchami. Take refuge to the Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha from your depth of heart until we become a Buddha, until we completely free from suffering. Next, generating bodhicitta. Follow the books, page number, I think 3. Ma zhenjian gunje dunje sher da nye la ma la yo ne. Zhenjian danje la ma la ye go ban cho la go ba ra cha. Ma zhenjian gunje dunje sher da nye la ma la yo ne. Zhenjian danje la ma la ye Goban cholang gobarja. For the sake of all beings, my mother, I transform into Guru Idam, and thus shall secure all limited beings in Guru Idam supreme state. Please generate bodhicitta. Next, special bodhicitta, page number 4. Ma zhenje damje ye dundo dagi tsende ni la nyurwa deme san. Lama la ye goba ngondo je ma zhenje damje dunga le chal. Deje san yi ye sa la gobara cha te che do lam mo lama la yi. Na juro nyam so lang war ye o. Second, everybody must think, I want to be Buddha. I want to achieve a fully enlightened state very quickly, very swiftly. Therefore, today, this evening, I will do the Guru Puja. Next, blessing all the offerings. Om Ahum, Om Ahum, Om Ahum. Ngo ye she la namba nan je dong, chu zi su zi namba je le wang bu du bu ju. Ye dong ge ye je ge ba jen ge be sa dang pa na nang ge kyun tam je yin su gya be. Chi na sang we chu jen tam zi jen ze sam ge me gya be gang wa gyu. Please visualize all kinds of offerings all over the world, particularly visualize all kinds of offerings, all parts of Singapore. The general offering, inner offering, secret offerings. Simply you can imagine all the planets, particularly where we do practice, is completely full with all kinds of offerings, blessed by Om Ahum. Then main part of visualization, without reciting the verses, simply visualize one big throne. On the throne, in the center, please visualize Buddha Shakyamuni, the full ordained manifestation. In his heart, visualize Vajradhara, In the heart of the Vajradhara, please visualize you are the root guru. If you don't have, you can visualize Manjushri. Around the Buddha Shakyamuni, please visualize all the lineage gurus, Idam, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Dharma, solitary realizer, hearer, all the Dakadakinis and Dharma protector. Just below the throne, please visualize all sentient beings. This visualization, you need to visualize until end of the Guru Puja. Then page number 11, invocation. So I chant in Tibetan. You can follow the English or phonetic sound. Punzo de lenjune de zonge, sa yu lama ye dang gunjo song. Fa wo kando si Chena rajen rong kun raya, na so du je samba je jindu. Chi yang cha we kin se tin le je, yang wen dang ba ko je je. Now you can imagine the actual all the gurus, Idam, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, hearer, solitary realizer, all Dharma protectors, Dakadaginis, they came and stay in the space. Next, the actual philomerit need to dissolve or visualize philomerit. Now you need to remember the true philomerit. One, based on your own visualization. The second one, you just invoke from the place from Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. The actual, the philomerit need to dissolve, need to become oneness with the visualized philomerit. Page number 13. Om Guru Buddha Bodhisattva Dhamma Bhava Ye ha yin za am ho ishe ba nan tam se ba na ni su me ba yor. So prostration, so 7 limb prayers. So without reciting the verses, so do 3 times prostration to the philomerit. Offer all the offerings to the philomerit. Confess all the negative actions we have accumulated since beginning last time until now. Also, we can confess behalf of all sentient beings, behalf of your late families, friends, and relatives, also behalf of all your friends, wish to purify all the negative karmas in front of the field of merit. Make a rejoicement, all the positive actions done by all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, all the Gurus, all the Dagadaginis, all the Bodhisattvas, also, all other sentient beings who have done the positive actions, we must make a great rejoicement. And request to the field of merit, particularly Buddha Shakyamuni, Vajradhara, and your root Lama to turn the wheel of dharmas for all sentient beings according to their mental disposition, according to their ability to benefit all sentient beings. Turn the wheel of dharma until all sentient beings become Buddha, until the samsara became empty. I request all the lineage gurus who follow different Buddhist traditions. They follow different Buddhist tradition because of the language. The teaching is sent. Therefore, please request to all the lineage guru to live long life. Particularly, most of us received teaching, initiation, advice, instruction from the 14th Dalai Lama. Also, we request him to live long life to benefit all sentient beings, particularly benefit us from his teaching. Please dedicate all the positive actions, all the merits we have accumulated since beginning this time until today, to dedicate all the merit to benefit all sentient beings, dedicate the merit of becoming Buddha to benefit all sentient beings, dedicate the merit to benefit all the people who are sick, who has a lot of physical problems. Also, we offer mandala. The mandala is manifestation of all your belongings, manifestation of your body, speech, and mind, the manifestation of all your positive actions, manifestation of all your daily practices. This mandala we offer to the field of merit in order to accumulate merit for free from sufferings, the merit for achieving Buddhahood. Page number 24. Chewa chaya linje lumbora che, linje dunda nyewe rinje zo, kunga yebe nu ju bun sun zo, la mi long ju durgu de chen. Tang yue sen ye pun ju jing ge ju, xiang gun du ye de la gu war ye, wan shang ye zhu yi jing gia zi mu, si ye nang ga le wang ju zi ye, Dadon ye ba gun ye zhong xin, je de len de rang yin ye. Once more, offer the mandala which is in your hands to the fellow merit in order to accumulate for 3 eons of the merit for achieving the Buddhahood, particularly achieving the Rupakaya. So for the maybe 5 minutes, please supplicate, pray to the fellow merit, particularly supplicate to your root Lama. Remember his the physical quality, the speech, particularly the mental quality, and pray to him for guide us until we become Buddha, guide all sentient beings until they free from sufferings. Please supplicate to the fellow merit, particularly your Guru. So look at page number 39. This sentence is very important. In English, to us being of the degenerate age, so like we all, unfit to be tamed by the countless Buddhas of the past and difficult to curb. You now, as it is the excellent part of the blissfully progress, compassion, guidance for self-direction, we make you request. In the past, for this eon, there were already, came the 3 Buddhas. They turned wheel of Dharma for many years. Maybe that time we were human being, even though they not able to tame us, not able to guide us. So this time, so we are very lucky to have the Guru to able to tame us. Therefore, you can read this sentence few times and supplicate to your Guru. Okay, next, page number 46. Special special and intense supplication. So we recite 3 times, then next one receiving blessing. So you can follow English, first I chant in Tibetan, then maybe English. Kyuni lama kyuni yedan kyuni khanro che kyunde tene zonde chanchu bardo kyumi kyajen mizobe dedan bardo chime tarayan tuje chagyu zonjala si je je rongo ro gonzo Tengi zhonzi baraje sung. You are our gurus, you are our idams. From this moment till our enlightenment, we shall seek self-direction from none other than you in this life, the abode, the pardo, till the end of the all rebirths. Hook us first with your compassion, free us from the fear of samsara and complacent nirvana. Direct us to all actual attainment. Be our consistent compassion and guide against all interference. Next, receiving blessing. Tetarale son so da bedu lami kusun to yene namde düse oze karmaratin karasun rimdan chi charan june danyegi gosun rimdan chi charatin bale Tivji daje namda wanje to kuje toje lama ni baji geje dembe chenye labar yo. By the force of having thus been requested 3 times from the center of our Guru's body, speech and mind, from the center of Guru's body, speech and mind, white, red, and dark blue nectar, rays stem forth one by one, then all together they dissolve into our own 3 center, one by one, and then all together. Thereby, we are approached of our 4 operations. Receive the 4 totally pure empowerments and attain the 4 Buddha's bodies. By replicates Guru happily dissolving into us, we become unlifted and inspired. Next, offering salt. Make sure we continuously visualize the field of merit. Therefore, we just go directly from the blessing. Om Ahu, Om Ahu, Om Ahu. I think many of you already set up, the soap, which is you're going to offer the field of merit. Also, you can visualize the secret offering, which is in the Kabbalah. The Kabbalah is filled with the nectar. The nectar, the actual offerings, also your daily, recitation, chanting, your daily practice, your daily good actions, all of them together manifest as one of the beautiful object, manifest as a chok offered to Guru, Idam, Buddha-dhamma, Sangha, Dagadagini Dhamma protector, and all sentient beings. First, Guru. Oi dian jiang ai dang, chai ye jian lai bie, zai me du zi zoi ji, gyao zoi di, sa yu lai me, so nai ye ji mu, Om Om Durga Bela Roy Be Tian Ne Ema Ho Chin Lai Chai Je Adu Su. Second offer all the offerings and soap and the nectar to Idam. O idin je ma da cha ye chen la be za me de je so je gya zo Idam la so go je ye chen go du ge ba la ro be chen je e mo ho mu ru cha chen ao du so. Next offer all the offerings, nectar and soap to Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. O din ma dan cha ye jin la be za me de je so je gya zo kun cho rin jin so na ni je mo om de la ro de je e ma o tam chu cha je a do so. Next offer all the offering to Dagadaginis, all Dharma protectors. O din ma da cha ye jen la be za me de je so je gya so kan do chu yun so na ni je mo om de la ro be jen de e mo tin le cha je a do so. Next offer all the offerings, soap, nectar to all sentient beings, particularly the being, the hungry lower realms, hungry beings. Also, so in the past, so we own a lot of debts. So also offer the soul to the being who own us, the karmic debtor. O din ma da cha ye jen la be za me de je so je gya so Ma gyu sin jin so na ni je mo om a hon du ge be la ro be zen zen e ma o tin na so yu ji. Once more, visualize you are all together, all sentient beings together, offering the soul to the Guru, Idam, Tribal Gem, Dagadaginis, Dhamma protector, and all sentient beings. Om Ahu, Om Ahu, Om Ahu. Om Ahu, Om Ahu, Om Ahu. Om Ahu. Particularly offer the soul for all the hungry beings. Om Ahu. Om Ahu. Offer the soul, inner offering, all kinds of offering to the being who own us, the karmic debtor. Om Ahu. Om Ahu. Next, particularly offer the soul to the fellow merit, particularly the Guru, Buddha Shakyamuni, in his heart there's a Vajradhara. In Vajradhara heart, you already visualize the Guru. If you don't have particular Guru, in the heart of the Vajradhara, you can visualize, if you follow Nyingma tradition, you can visualize Pema Sambhava. If you follow Gelugpa tradition, you can visualize Lama Tsongkhapa. If you follow Kagyupa tradition, you can visualize Marpa. So first you request to the Guru to accept the Tso. Page number, I think, page number 59. Emo Soingi Goloje Tenzon Deja Jone Moro Mali Chuvene Dendo Jene Oje Number Tobezembono Soingi Golo Gyundoro. We make a request to the Guru to accept our soul offerings. The soul, which is manifestation of all our belongings, body, speech and mind, include our daily practice and recitation and virtuous actions. Next, you can imagine the Guru very happily going to accept the soul offering. Therefore, page number 60. Ondoje sonye mebeda Sinjero Aho Masuka. You can imagine the Guru, a fellow merit, happily accept our offering. Then he introduced us a great blessedness, which is the union of emptiness and a great blessedness. Okay, now if you have a offering, you can eat little bit, and little bit you can leave, on your table. So this is a leftover soap. Okay, page number 73. I think everybody prepare the leftover soap. You can just, left on your table and just imagine you're going to place the leftover soap. Page number 73. Kabala Yanshin Gachive Namjanando Oma Kabala Yanshin Gachive Nando Sola Dan Shanga Duzima Juale Juve Ishiki Dizigazo Chamber Yo Ahum. The leftover soap melt as a liquid in the huge Kabbalah. The Kabbalah is filled with the nectar blessed by Ahum. The leftover soap, which is the nectar in Kabbalah, we offer to all sentient beings, particularly the spirit, the ghosts, hungry beings. If you feel, some of the formless being who trying to harm you, you offer this soap to him or her, then ask her to, since you don't harm me, if you're going to harm me, if you have been harming me, you have been accumulating negative karma, then in the future life or this life, you have a lot of sufferings. Tamjin Jihyun Sonam Yijimbu, Ahun Dugu Bella Rube Tinzene, Emma Hod Najo Tinli Tsujin, Ola Yazon de Jella. The Marinjan Yabazan, the Joko Jadon, Yabana Joda Jada, Nemejadan Wanjot. Yadada Kawazan, Mujogan Gundoji, Chitan Gela Sobaye, Legin Muru Dalazo, Tenjin Dalas. Murugunjo Tonrozu, Diminchida Nenanda, Donagana, because Jidin de Jeloleta, Yella Budun Sobota, Yilando, Gundro, Jimbo, Yajin, Jobandi, Muzeka Wanam Yamadube, Zona Jimbe, Joyurji. So we complete the offering. Then, since page number 79, from the page number 79 all the way to the end is the revision of the stage of the path, relying on the Guru. Then remember the quality of the Gurus. Then reflect on the important lives. Next, you just follow as a Lamrim, and particularly, practice of bodhicitta, special bodhicitta, and practice of taking and giving and taking, so and so. So for you, so I'm not going to go through this recitation practice. So please, everybody who attend this offering, please follow the books and do revision of the path. That means you just go through the books, read first paragraph, do meditation. Second paragraph, do meditation, do practice. That means, so tonight, so you're going to practice the complete Lamrim. So also I'm not going to do the visualization at the end. you can just imagine, the field of merit include your guru, all field of merit dissolve into you, blessed by them. Yeah, so we finish the offering. Please make sure everybody do the Lamrim practice, follow the rest of the pages. And also today I send you the copy. Can you share the copy on the screen about the bathing Buddha? Onji and Perry, can you share the picture I sent you?
Geshe-la, we already sent to the chat, so everybody have the same.
Can you share in the screen, please?
Okay.
Perry.
Yes, Geshe-la.
I'm teacher, okay? You're not you.
Yes,
Okay, let's Jogi show the screen. Yeah, in the screen, I will explain how to do the practice. Cannot, right? Perry, cannot.
Geshe-la, I'm trying.
Okay. If everybody got the copy, then you can just open the picture that I will explain. Right, the 4 lines within the swiftly fragrant house of bathing. That means first 4 lines, the chanting about visualizing the bathing place. For example, when we take a shower, we need a bathroom. So also bathing Buddha, first you need to visualize the place, the bathing place where you're going to offer the bathing. The first 4 lines about visualizing the place which is going to offer the bath. Then next 4 lines is telling the history, what happened when the first time Buddha born. According to this culture today, I'm going to offer the bathing to the Buddha. That means 2 paragraph. Then next 4 lines. Although the bodies, speech, and minds of the Buddhas have no afflictions, to purify operation of body, speech, and mind of beings, I offer this abolition of the body, speech, and mind of the Buddhas. That means you can chant this 4 line is 1 time, and imagine you're offering water to the Buddha, body, speech, and mind, in order to purifying the negative operation of all sentient beings, body, speech, and mind. Also, you can do, for example, all the Buddha bodies have no affliction. I purify operation of the body of beings. I offer this ablution to the bodies of the Buddhas. You can say body, speech, and mind. You can, do 3 together. You can do 1 by 1. The next sentence. From precious was, they have been well filled. The 4 lines, you offer particularly another water to the Buddha. Then next sentence is clear. The branch of the drying their bodies. The next 2 lines, you just hold a piece of, like clothes, which is new. You can imagine you are really, cleaning or drying the Buddha bodies. The next sentence, you can see their clothes and adornment. Then if you have a kata, if you have a beautiful, like a, sleek kind of cotton, you offer to the Buddha. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line, 6 sentence. Then the last one, branch of offering ornament, right? That means first you visualize the place of bathing place, visualize the bathing place, follow the sentence. Then you can chant the next sentence, offer the water. The next sentence you offer, water, body, speech, and mind. Then you clean the Buddha like a body. Then offer clothes and adornment. Then last, you offer ornament. So this practice you can do every day for 1 month. Not have to do on the 14th, on the 15th. You can do it every day for 1 month. You have just have a simple, water. You put on the like a plates. Imagine offering water. Imagine that you offer ornament and clothes. The last you offer ornament. You can keep piece of pure clothes. Also, you can keep a mala as an ornament or adornment. So you just follow this recitation. You can do every day. If you cannot do every day, you can do once a week. This I want to explain to you how to do your practice for the Vesak. The next also, I send you a picture, just picture of Zanskar. Can you see the picture of the like monastery and with a lot of stupas?
Nichila, I have not put up yet, sorry.
Okay, I think you will receive slowly the picture because last year and this year, so many people died due to the COVID. Also, many people will die, I think, next maybe a few months. Then I thought, in order to benefit all sentient beings, particularly the people who pass away, I wish to build 8 stupas in Zanskar and next to my monastery. Because the mountain is very high, when we build the 8 stupa, the stupa can see far away from many villages. And the stupa higher, maybe like let's say 20 feet higher, the stupa. And so you can see there's all ruined and all stupa. So in that area, so I wish to build 8 stupas. And each of the stupa contain with 100 and more than 100 volume of the Buddha teachings, and plus 200 volumes of all the Indian master teachings. So each of the stupa, we will, we wish to contain all the holy teachings, includes, some relics, like holy objects. So in order to benefit all sentient beings, particularly the family who pass away, during the COVID. Yeah, this is it's just this stupa just made of stone and brick and clay. So we dismantle them and rebuild at stupas. So if you wish to build a stupa on behalf of your parents, behalf of your families, behalf of your friends, you can sponsor one stupa, you can add contribution. Slowly, we will collect the contribution for 1 year. Then the next year, we love to put the foundation. Then I think 2023 or this 21 put the foundation, 22 or 23 we wish to complete the stupa. So if you wish to sponsor one stupa, two stupa, so up to you. It costs maybe I think around 208,000 Sing dollars, because we need to buy all the scriptures. So today is the first of the Vesak month. I think it's a good like time to remind you to accumulating merit through building a stupa. So you can see when you build the stupa can see far away from many village. Okay, so thank you so much all of you to attend the Guru Puja, and please you must do the Lamrim practice, follow the Guru Puja texts, and also for the 1 month you can do daily the bathing Buddha practice. If you cannot, you can do every alternatively, or you can do weekly. And particularly for the full moon day, I don't think you can go visit temple, monasteries. You can do in your own home. So thank you so much. Attend the Guru Puja. At the end, we dedicate the merit dedication. First, we dedicate the merit for achieving fully enlightened state to benefit all sentient beings. Wish to be Buddha to benefit all sentient beings. Second, dedicate the merit to benefit all sentient beings, particularly your own relatives, friends, and family. Also, the family, the person, the people who support Tibetan Buddhist Center. At the end, all our merits we dedicate for all human beings free from the COVID-19, and wish all over the world have a lot of peace and happiness. Jambe bawe jedara kimba na gundo zambo deyan dijin deda gunje jesu da lo gewandi da dangeradu. Okay, thank you and good night.